Hey guys, so today I thought that I would try out a new palette from Lorac. It is the Shine Bright Pro Eye palette. It comes in this beautiful kind of like icicle package, and I don't believe they came out with a Mega Pro palette this year, so I think that this was like in place of that. So the back of the packaging looks like this. You can kind of see some of the colors that come in here. You do get a makeup brush. So we're going to dive in, do some swatches, and try these on the eyes. So if you guys are curious to see swatches and how this applies, then just keep watching. Now, I would have to say that Lorac makes some of my favorite eyeshadows ever. Their like unzipped palettes are beautiful. I like their Mega Pros. They're just a little bit too big for me. Their highlights are beautiful. So I'm curious to see if the formula is the same in this shadow palette as the other shadow palettes that I have in my collection from Lorac. This is a $154 value, but the price is only $49. So let's dive right in and check it out. It says, classic and chic, the Lorac Shine Bright Pro Eyeshadow Palette gives you the most perfect shades in our iconic formula, so that's good. This limited edition Pro Artistry palette is packed with 20 matte and shimmer eyeshadows, making it easy to create any look you desire. The velvety smooth, ultra-pigmented formula is infused with soothing botanicals and designed to perform wet or dry so you can shade, shadow, line, and define your eyes just like a pro. Inspired by rich jewel and metal tones, we curated a timeless collection of beauty-enhancing, always complementary hues fit for anyone and every occasion. Shine bright with Lorac. The palette itself looks like this. It's like a gunmetal gray with silver icicles on it. Really cute. And on the back it just says Shine Bright. Of course you get a nice large mirror, but this is what the shadow palette looks like inside. In this palette they've mixed up the mattes and the shimmers. In the Mega Pro palettes, the top two lines are matte and the bottom two are shimmer. Here, the top line is matte, the second row is mostly matte with one shimmer, the third row is 2 matte, 3 shimmer, and the bottom row is all shimmer. So let's start off with swatches, so I'm going to swatch them for you. Okay, so here are the swatches from the palette. This is the first row, starting with Ecru, Haze, Light Brown, Crepe, and Dusty Mauve. Second row, we have Vanilla, Smoked Plum, Mahogany, Primrose, and Slate Blue. The third row down, we have Nectar, Azure, Splendor, Fizz, and Cosmic, which is a really pretty purple. And then the last row, which are all stunning metallics, are Gold Rush, Atlantis, Spruce, Royalty, and Icicle. This is what they look like up close. Really beautiful colors. The metallics blew me away. They are stunning. So let me clean off the hand and we'll dive right into the eye look. Okay, so I just primed my eyes with a little bit of the Ulta Full Coverage Liquid Concealer and my sponge. Okay, so I grabbed some Real Techniques brushes from their holiday brush set. I have an Essence brush and I have a pencil brush from Shop Miss A, the AOA Studio line. So let's dive right in. I'm going to go into Crepe and just kind of set the eyelids. Now, Lorac shadows are a little on the dusty side, but the formula is really beautiful. And I'm in this really fuzzy, like faux fur brown jacket that I got at tjmaxx on clearance the other day. Loving it, so comfortable. Not pajamas. It's just really comfy and really soft. Now the lids are set. Now I have to decide what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go into Nectar first as like my crease shade. That's nice. Okay, that works for a nice base shade. I'll finish the other eye later. I think I want to go more cool and smoky, so I'm going to go into Smoked Plum right here on the outer corner and just kind of bring it up into the crease. These blend so well. They make it so easy. Now I either want to use Spruce, Atlantis, or Gold Rush. I kind of can't decide, so maybe I will do all three. This one on the outer edge, this one on the lid, and this one on the inner corner because that sounds beautiful to me. So I'm actually going to grab the brush that came in the palette and use the short end to pick up some of Atlantis. Next, I'm going into Spruce. And then using a small brush, I'm going to go into Gold Rush. And going back into my fluffy brush, I'm going to go back into Smoked Plum and just kind of clean up the edges. Okay, so these were super easy to work with. Blending was simple and fast. The colors are pigmented. So let me finish off the other eye and my face, and I'll be back to finish up the lower lash line. Be right back. Okay guys, so the face makeup is done, so it's time to finish up the eyes with this palette. So let me dive right in. I think I'm going to use my AOA Studio pencil brush. And I'm going to go into Nectar. Just that pretty like mauve shade on the bottom. And then a little bit of Smoked Plum on the outer corner here. And then I think I'm going to go in with just a little bit of Atlantis just on the outer edge here. Alright, so I like that, so let me add the mascara and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied a little Giorgio Armani mascara to the lashes, and I really love the way that this eye look turned out, the kind of gold to green to like a deep teal with the gray in the crease. It's a rainy day here, and I feel like this look fits that perfectly. It's kind of that rainy day, hint of sun. I really like this. So I forgot to do the inner corner highlight and the brow bone highlight, so I think I'm going to grab Vanilla, which is the shimmery shade here, and put it on the inner corners and under the brow. I feel like that's exactly what this eye look needed. It was just missing that pop of shine in the inner corner. So I have to say I love the finished look. I think that this is going to be my new go-to palette. The only thing I'm wishing is that it had a matte black or a matte dark brown. It has like this matte purple and a matte kind of tealy blue, but nothing to kind of ground the look and make it look more wearable on the day-to-day and less colorful. So if it had a black or a matte brown, I feel like it would be the perfect palette. I'm obsessed with this gold color. Beautiful. This royalty one with magenta with a hint of violet. Beautiful. So I cannot wait to play with this palette more. So I'm definitely going to say that this is a thumbs up for me, a win for Lorac. So I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch and try on video of this palette from Lorac. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.